Hey everyone, welcome to the another awesome video. It's for your wish. I'm came with another OmniRoute video. You love my previous Cloud Code with OmniRoute integration video, and some of you mentioned that we want to integrate it inside Antigravity. Can you help us? Then this video is for you guys. Today I will show you the way that you can use OmniRoute inside Antigravity. You everyone know that it provides 90 plus provider and 200 plus free model by collecting all the free provider throughout the internet. In GitHub repo, it will mention each and everything. Never stop coding, free MIT AI gateway, one endpoint, 290 plus provider. Among them, 90 plus provider are free, 500 plus model including Kimi, Claude, GPT, OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, Minimax, all of the model which are included here. Best part, it will provide 1.53 billion token per month for free if you add multiple provide inside your dashboard. Currently, this repo is trending and most of the developers love this platform to use. It has the many feature. It will also mention agent router. When I'll make video about agent router, you have mentioned this is fake, but it will mention here in OmniRoute as well. I will deeply research and only make video in my channel. It will mention you can get $100, but it will increase and make $175 for free. I will mention you each and everything and zero configuration, just use auto mode. If you set auto in model ID, it balance default, which means it used the best working and fast model among all of the provider that you have added. And if you set auto coding, it will select quality fast wait for code generation. And if you choose auto fast, it will select lowest latency fast, similar for other. In its repo and website, it will mention many things. If you want, just check its repo. Where I don't want to spend more time in repo, we are going to use it practically. Among these free providers, some provider didn't even require authentication, but some provider require authentication to use. One config, every coding tools work. You can use it inside Cloud Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Copilot, Antigravity, and many more other platforms as well, through the extension or directly. In today's video, we are going to integrating it inside Antigravity. Before installing OmniRoute, you need to install npm and node in your system. Didn't forget to install npm and node. After you have successfully installed npm and node, check does this both reflect its version. After that, we have confirmed this is successfully installed. If npm and node is in your system, then you can easily install OmniRoute from this single line of command. Even if you are using any operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, just copy this command from here and paste it where I have already installed. Just copy this command and paste it in your terminal. It will install it. Give 2 to 5 minutes depending on internet speed and your device performance. After you have installed, type OmniRoute and press enter. It will open OmniRoute dashboard locally. Here it will mention starting server. This is the OmniRoute login dashboard. Keep in mind, if you are using OmniRoute, you need to run it locally, otherwise it didn't work. And some of you commented out in my previous video where it will mention does it require high device performance. No, it will not require any specific powerful device. You can easily use it in your simple laptop or desktop. Okay, after that, this is the login interface. Here it will provide password. Change me is the default password. Provide it, continue. Then you are landed here in the home screen of OmniRoute. Don't worry, if you are using it for the first time, then this will not reflected here. For my previous video, I have added it, but every provider I have already removed, where I am going to show you from scratch. Expand this Omni proxy, and most of the case you have only required endpoint API key provider if you want combo. Otherwise, remaining all are not that much necessary. Here you can see 293 provider, among them 124 provider are free and 7 provider don't even require authentication. First, let's add those provider which didn't even require authentication. First will be the open code. I'm going to enable this provider. After enabling it, it will reflected here. If you click on add account, your task is finished. Open code free provider will be added here. After you have added, press on this free only. Currently two model will be freely available in open code. Test does this model working or not. Some model may not work even if it will be available. You can see only Big Pickle is working currently. DeepSeek is also not working here. If you check it sometime later, it might work, but for now it is not working. From here you can also test it. If you want real testing before using it, you can also test it. If you select Big Pickle, then it is work, no any model responsive. You can see error 401 missing API key. We have added one provider. You can see now it is working. Now both of these provider working, which means it will test does this model working in real time. Sometime this free model may not work. That's why we are going to choose auto model. If we select auto model, it will automatically select the working model. After that, I will show you another provider, which is Pollination AI, which provide many model for free. Add it didn't even require API key. It is optional. Only import free model, save it. Now 32 model will be added here. Let's check how much model will be working among them. I'm going to test all of this model at once. If you want, you can test one by one as well. Not a single model is working. Then I'm going to remove it. If no one model is working, then why we have required it? Another Kiro. I'm going to add this Kiro AI where it will provide Claude Sonnet 4.6 for free. Add connection. Among this authentication, AWS Builder ID will be the easiest. Okay, it will navigate you to the AWS Access portal and it will show the code. Same code will be reflected here in Amazon Web Service. You need to create your account. You can easily create your account through Google or any other authentication method. You can see same code will be reflected here. Then I'm going to confirm and continue. It will ask a permission. I'm going to select allow access. Now you are ready to use it. You can see Hero AI is successfully connected. Let's see how much model will be freely available and does it working or not. Currently 7 model will be available for free and all of these 7 model is working perfectly. Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Haiku, DeepSeek, Minimax and many other model. If you want, you can easily add as much provider as you can. Select this free tier and add all of this provider. This is the list of the free provider. You can easily add this all provider. If I try to add multiple provider here, then this video is very much long. I don't want to waste too much time here. This is the way that you can add. NVIDIA name is also working perfectly that I have added in my previous video. Longcat AI is also working perfectly if you want to test it. Okay, it requires API key. Create your account in Longcat and provide API key here, then it is working. Okay, among these 126, all of them are not work. That's why in website it will mention 90 plus. Okay, if all of them working, then it will exactly mention 126 free provider is working, but this all provider is not work at the same time. Some provider may work and some provider may not work it. DeepSeek is also available. If you provide API key, it will perfectly working. I have added 2 working provider, which is Kiro and Open Code free. After that, I'm going to create my API key. Okay, create your first API key, give any name, free API key, create API key. Okay, this is our API key and this is our base URL. Now I'm going to open my Antigravity and I'll connect it here. In Antigravity, you can easily connect through multiple extension. Among them, Kilo is one. This is the official extension, Kilo Code, AI coding agent, copilot and autocomplete. Install it, trust publisher and install. After you have installed, it will reflected here. Let's wait until it will install. After successful install, it will be reflected here in menu bar. Not only from this extension, you can also use it through Cline as well if you want. I'll show you both the way. Let's implement in Kilo Code. After you have added this extension, go to this setting icon here. Again, go to the providers, go to this custom provider and connect, where we need to provide a provider ID, which is OmniRoute. Display name, here you can give any name. OmniRoute, provider API will be the OpenAI compatible. Now we need a base URL and API key. First I'm going to copy API key that we have created and I'll provide the API key here. After that, you can get base URL from endpoint or you can get base URL from here as well. Paste it here. Model ID, I'm going to use auto model. You can see this is the list of model available. If you want any specific model, then you can also achieve it. Just like Kiro Cloud Sonnet 4.5. If you only want to use, just select this model, deselect all the model and select this model. But if Kiro token is expired, then you are unable to code. Instead of this, best way will be the auto model. I'm going to choose this auto coding, only auto coding. If you select this model, then instead of any individual model, it will select the best working model. If your token is expired from any provider, it will automatically switch to next provider within a millisecond and your coding experience is not interrupt. Submit. Okay, Antigravity IDE would like to access file in your document folder. Just allow it. OmniRoute are now available to use. Okay, after you have added it, you can easily use it here. Initially, through Kilo Code, you can also get some of the model for free, just like Step 3.7, Poolside Laguna, North Mini, Nemetron, and some other model. But we are not focusing on it. After that, select OmniRoute and OmniRoute auto coding will be reflected. Select it and test. Does it work or not? If it will respond, which means working perfectly. You can see it is working perfectly. Response time will be depending on model, provider and extension. That's why if you feel Kilo Code response is slow sometime, then you can easily switch to the Cline as well. I'll show you the Cline setup as well. Again, go to the gears icon. Here is the list of free model. This is the automatic free model available in Cline, but we are going to use a OmniRoute model. I'm going to log out from here. Done. Where model will be reflected here. Select provider will be the OpenAI compatible. Base URL will be this localhost URL. Keep in mind, to use you need to run OmniRoute in your background and we need a OpenAI compatible API key. I'm going to copy my API key. Here you can see one connected will be reflected. New, I'm going to create new API key and I will use separate API key for both of them. For the model ID, I'm going to select auto. Here in model ID, I will provide a specific model ID instead of auto. In Kilo Code, I will already show you by adding auto. Here I will show you by adding any specific model ID. Until now, there is no any connection where we only provide here the API key. If we add, then it will show the request and connected device. I'm going to the provider section, free provider, where we have added Kiro and open code. That's why I'm going to add model from open code. Free only. I'm going to test does it work or not. Okay, working. This model is working. I'm going to select it and I'll provide it here. Add header. No, header is not required. Effort will be high and done. Let's check does it work or not. Is it working? You can see it will respond fast. Some of you may confuse. This is the total token 128k. No, this is not a token. This is the context window. It will reset. You can see currently it will show 12.4k token is used. If you delete this history, you can see we are using same model. If you try to use, I'm going to use it in plan mode. Build a snake game. First it will plan. You can see it is planning. Before building, you can also plan it here as well. If you can analyze, it will start from 11k. This is not a token. This is not exact token. This is the context window. It will reset in time. Don't worry. If you feel I don't want to use it, then easily use Kilo Code. There will be no any limit. But trust me, this is not a token. This is the context window. Now, after this all, I'm going to show you the API key and request. Here you can see in both of them, one device is connected. This is the way that you can use. At the end, I'm going to show you by building one simple project to make you confirm is it working perfectly. I don't have any pre-built prompt where I'm going to give one simple task here. When I have switched to plan to act mode, it will automatically start to work on it. You can see how much fast is it. If you use Cline, then it is fast. and this is the model that we have using through the OmniRoute. Done. It is completed. Okay, it will automatically run, start working perfectly. Okay, this is the way that you can use. If you want, then you can set it in plan mode and act mode. If you set it in plan mode, before building anything, first it will make a plan. After you have change plan to the act mode, it will build. Game over. This is the way that you can use. Now I'm going to use Kilo Code as compared to Cline. If you use Kilo, it is a little bit slow, that I have feel. In Cline, we have selected a specific model. Here in Kilo Code, we have select auto coding where it will analyze. Now it is reading this empty index.html file. After it will complete it, it will go to the next stage and it will build a one custom QR code generator. Until now, it will take 1 minute and 5 seconds. I'm waiting until it will complete. After it will complete, then I will show you the output builded by OmniRoute auto mode, where it will use the best coding model in background. If any token is expired through any provider, it will automatically switch to the next provider. That's why you need to add as much provider as you can. Okay, add many provider here. This all will be the one-time configuration. If you add many provider here, then there will be no any chance to expire your token. Now it will completed. It will nearly takes 3 minutes to return 864 line of code. It will already completed code written part, and now it will only analyzing it. If you want, you can stop it here as well after writing the code. I don't have any extension to run it in Antigravity. Now I'm going to add live server. Okay, this extension is installed. After that, go live will be reflected here. I'm going to starting. This is the output. Okay, from plain text, URL, email address, phone number, SMS, Wi-Fi, you can generate a QR code. This is the custom way and this is the automatic way. If you can select your location, website URL, Wi-Fi access, and if you provide some details, then you can generate a QR code. This is the integration of OmniRoute inside your Antigravity. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. If you want some other type of content, comment down below. I'll try to cover it in my upcoming video. Okay, that's it for today's video. Happy coding. Bye bye. We will meet you on the next video.